Have you ever felt overwhelmed by a new task at work, wondering where to start and how to master it quickly? You're not alone. Many of us grapple with the daunting prospect of learning something new on the job. The common misconception that it's a complicated, time consuming process fraught with obstacles. But what if I told you there's a simpler, more effective way to learn new tasks? Intrigued? Keep watching. Introducing the learning curve, the most commonly used tool to master a new task effectively. Now, what exactly is a learning curve? Picture it as a graph, where the vertical axis represents your proficiency and the horizontal axis represents time or effort. At the start, progress may be slow, but with persistence, you will see a sharp rise in your skill level. That's the beauty of the learning curve. So why is understanding the learning curve crucial? Well, it gives you a realistic outlook on the journey ahead. It helps to quell any initial discouragement and reminds you that proficiency comes with time and consistent effort. More importantly, it allows you to plan and manage your learning process effectively. So the learning curve is not just a tool, it's your roadmap to mastering any new task. It's the secret to turning the unfamiliar into second nature, the unknown into the known, and the difficult into the doable. Now you might be wondering, what's in it for me? Well, let's delve into the myriad of benefits that come with effectively learning a new task at work. Firstly, with a solid grasp on the learning curve concept, your productivity is poised to skyrocket. No more wasted hours struggling to understand the task at hand. Instead, you'll dive straight in, armed with the knowledge and skills you need to get the job done. Next, we have better time management. With a clear understanding of your tasks, you'll be able to allocate your time more effectively, ensuring you're always ahead of the game. Another fantastic perk, enhanced self-confidence. There's nothing quite like the feeling of mastering a new skill or task. It's a confidence booster like no other. And last, but certainly not least, expect greater job satisfaction. When you're proficient and efficient, work becomes less of a chore and more of a joy. Imagine being able to tackle any new task with ease and confidence. That's the power of effective learning. Ready to put this into practice? Here's how. Imagine you're tasked with learning a new software. Initially, it seems overwhelming, that you might feel like you're not making much progress. But remember, this is a part of the initial steep section of your learning curve. Don't get disheartened. Instead, break it down into manageable chunks, start with the basics, and gradually work your way up to the more complex features. Now, consider a different scenario. You're leading a project for the first time. The sheer number of responsibilities might make you feel like you're in over your head, but again, this is just the steep start of your learning curve. Begin by understanding the project's objectives, then move on to planning and delegating tasks. Bit by bit, you'll become more comfortable and adept at project management. In both these scenarios, there might be moments when you hit a plateau. You might feel like you're not improving. But don't worry, this is a normal part of the learning curve. It's a signal that you're about to make a breakthrough. Keep going, and soon enough, you'll find yourself mastering the task at hand. These are just examples. The learning curve can be applied to any new task you're learning. It's a tool to help you understand your progress, manage your expectations, and keep you motivated. Remember, the key to effective learning is understanding your learning curve and using it to your advantage. Now it's your turn. It's time to take these insights and put them to work. Remember, learning is a journey, not a destination. It involves trial and error, persistence, and patience. Don't shy away from mistakes. Rather, see them as an opportunity to learn and grow. You're not alone in this journey. Everyone, at one point or another, has been in your shoes, grappling with a new task at work. Sharing your experiences or the challenges you face can be empowering. So, why not take a moment to share them in the comments section? Or perhaps you have a question or an opinion you'd like to share. We'd love to hear from you. And finally, keep in mind that every step you take towards mastering a new task is a step towards self-improvement. Start mastering new tasks at work today. And remember, every expert was once a beginner. You've got this.